At least 2,400 people have died in an earthquake in Afghanistan. The quake struck the country's eastern Paktika province on Wednesday. The epicenter was about 40 kilometers southwest of the city of Khost. The quake was felt in several other countries in the region, including Pakistan and India. Rescue efforts are underway, but they are being hampered by difficult terrain and poor weather conditions. The earthquake has caused widespread damage, destroying homes and infrastructure. Many people are still missing, and the death toll is expected to rise.